Alright, yes guys, welcome back to the live stream. We're getting this placement right now as we speak, so I'm going to be entering long off this Ferrari gap here. Alright, long with
Order
that.
filled.
Stop at 719. Alright, at this point guys, you're going to move your stops to that swing low here, so 735. Reduce risk there. We are up a nice amount on this right now, floating around 50 handles. And we're targeting these equal highs in. That's going to be the draw. I'll actually take a little bit off here guys. 808.25.
Order filled.
Oh, TV Smash Boys accidentally sold my old position there. We're supposed to sell 6 contracts, but I'm fully out there, boys. So TP smashed, I guess. But yeah, anyways, great trade, guys. Great trade. I'm going to break this trade down very quickly before we end the stream. So if we look at the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame is the most important time frame. You always want to look at the daily time frame, see what is the higher time frame draw. You can see that we came down, we swept sales and liquidity, right? And we had this indecisive candle yesterday, meaning that price is most likely going to start a reversal. We just need that one last confirmation to actually confirm the reversal is in play. What happens the day after? We get this huge bullish candle which confirmed the reversal, okay? So now I can be bullish going into the next day, targeting obviously buy side on the higher time frame, right? So all of these highs up here, 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 okay? So going in today, I was bullish, right? We can see as well, 4 hour time frame, there's many gaps here to support bullish order flow, same with hour time frame, okay? Now, as you can see on the 15 minute, we come down, we swept London lows, okay? So once we sweep London lows, we are below midnight open and below 8:30 open. What does that mean? That means we're in a huge, huge discount, okay? And we should be only looking for longs. So, what are we waiting for? Waiting for a displacement, and a market structure shift, and a fair value gap. So you can see here, right? Price displays, it actually caused a shift in market structure. However, there was no shift on ES, so we waited, okay? Once ES broke up the swing high, then that was the confirmation for the break in market structure, okay? As soon as we've seen that, we got off a value gap, we entered on this down close candle here, as soon as price tapped in, had a stop below the displacement candles low, and then we targeted these equal highs, and we were supposed to obviously take 80% of a position off at this fair value gap here, which is the imbalance, right? Now, I actually accidentally closed out my whole position, and it turned out to, you know, be a good decision. Most people closed out fully here as well. But I was supposed to close out 80% and then hold 20% towards that final objective. Now, again, this is very important. Another lesson, to always take partials. No matter how clean the trade looks, always take partials. Because look, if we didn't take partials here, what would have happened? We would have got a break-even trade. Okay, we would have got absolutely nothing. But the fact that we took partials, we let the rest run, we still secured some profits. Now, I closed out fully here, which is even a bigger W. So yeah, we secured quite a decent amount on that trade, around 80 handles there, right? So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's trade, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, hopefully you learned something today, and most importantly, hopefully you made some money, okay? If you did, make sure to send that into the wins and results chat, because this is the whole point of this community, right? Is to make money, right? Yes, we want to learn, but the whole goal at the end of the day is to obviously retract cash from the market, okay? So anyways, boys, I'm gonna be calling it there. I'll see you lot in tomorrow's live stream. We're up in a week, so very good. It's gonna be our 5th week in a row now that we close out in a profit once again. So anyways, boys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you lot tomorrow.